Love consultant present. 5 ways to make a woman climax faster. Orgasm is the pinnacle of pleasure in intercourse, but in fact, many women find it difficult to achieve. As a man, of course, you want to make your partner feel satisfied and enjoy every moment together, right? Unfortunately, there are still many men who don't know how to help their partners climax faster and easier. But don't worry, in this video, we will discuss 5 powerful ways to make a woman climax faster. Listen carefully, because this can make your relationship more intimate and satisfying for both parties. Number 1. Longer foreplay. Many men are too hasty in making love, going straight to penetration without doing enough foreplay. In fact, women need more time to get aroused than men. That's why foreplay is so important. Try to focus more on gentle touches, kisses, and caresses. Explore your partner's sensitive areas such as her neck, ears, inner thighs, or back. Don't forget to also use intimate words that can build a romantic atmosphere and increase her arousal. The longer the foreplay, the easier it is for women to climax. Number 2. Touch sensitive areas with the right technique. Every woman has different sensitive spots, but the clitoris is the most responsive to stimulation. Unfortunately, many men don't understand how to properly stimulate it. Instead of directly touching it roughly, try to give it a gentle touch, using your fingers, tongue, or even a sex toy if your partner likes it. Don't forget to observe her reaction and adjust the pressure and rhythm that makes her feel most comfortable. If done right, this can be the key to a woman climaxing faster. Number 3. Make sure she's relaxed and comfortable. Many women find it difficult to reach orgasm not because there are physical problems, but because their minds are too busy. Stress, fatigue, or lack of confidence can be major inhibitors in lovemaking. For that reason, make sure your partner feels comfortable and relaxed before making love. You can talk to her, massage her body, or even take a warm bath together to create a more relaxed atmosphere. The more relaxed she is, the easier it will be for her to enjoy the moment and climax. Number 4. Choose the right position. Lovemaking positions also play an important role in helping women reach orgasm. Some positions allow for deeper penetration or provide more direct stimulation to the clitoris, thus speeding up climax. Some positions that can be tried include: woman on top gives full control to the woman, so she can adjust the rhythm according to her comfort. Doggy style. This position allows more intense stimulation of her sensitive spots. Missionary with variations. Add a little pillow under her hips to increase the angle of penetration. Feel free to experiment and find out which position your partner likes best. Number 5. Seductive whispers. Never underestimate the power of words during intercourse. Affectionate whispers, compliments, or even dirty talk can drastically increase a woman's arousal. Women love to feel wanted and loved. While making love, try whispering romantic words in her ear, complimenting her, or even revealing fantasies that can make her more excited. If done right, this can be a huge factor in helping women reach orgasm faster. So, those are 5 powerful ways to help women climax faster. Remember, making love is not just about personal satisfaction, but also about how you and your partner can enjoy the moment together with passion and happiness. If you start applying these tips, you can be sure that your relationship will be more intimate and quality. So, which of these 5 ways have you tried? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other interesting videos. See you in the next video. Hopefully this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell us your opinion in the comments column. Happy greetings to me, you, and all of us.